How to know a Telegram user's phone number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can know a Telegram user's phone number. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's dive right into it. First of all, what you'll need to do is make sure that your Telegram is up to date to the latest version. So, open up your App Store and simply search for Telegram. So, let's search for Telegram and right there we go. Tap on Telegram. And if there's an update button instead of open, tap on update and update the app. After you've updated your Telegram, you can then open it up. So after you've opened up your Telegram, just head over to the person or user whose number you want to know. So let's just go to the user. And after you open up your user, on the top you can find their name and profile icon. Simply tap on that. After you've tapped on that, you'll notice that there is mobile number visible. And yeah, that's how you can know a Telegram user's phone number. Now that's one way of doing it, but sometimes people have enabled some security features that will not allow you to simply see the mobile number. In that case, there is no way you can know a Telegram user's phone number. So it completely depends on the privacy setting of the user of whom you want to know the phone number of. So yeah, you can still try this out and check if it works or not. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.